Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, today, or should I say tonight, whatever, somewhere it's night, somewhere it's day, wherever you may be, whenever you're watching this video, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and wish everyone a happy holidays, Merry Christmas. If you celebrate Christmas, fantastic. I'm in a positive, fantastic, amazing mood because right now I want to go ahead and unbox this bad boy camera that I picked up at Best Buy. This is the Sony a6700 mirrorless camera with, also comes with, well, you got to buy separately, camera lens, Tamron 17 by 70 millimeter, 2.8 aperture, DI3 RXD, this camera and this lens. We're going to go ahead and unbox it. And let's see if this thing is hyped up and as good as people say it is. So let's go ahead and start this process, man. So here we go. Sony. Now, some people prefer Nikon. Some people prefer Sony. And Sony is, both are fantastic, but you guys got to pick which one you like better. I'm not here to tell you which one's better. But I went with the Sony just because, you know, Sony makes the best PlayStations. So, hey, they also probably make the best cameras. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So here we go. Nice and neat box here. All right, let's go ahead and cut this out. Okay, and it comes with a little strap. That's pretty cool. And here we got the camera. Now, if you guys want to know how much this camera costs, well, it retails for $1,600, and I think right now it's on sale for $1,500. And now it doesn't come with the lens, so all you're gonna get right here is just a bare bone unit with no lens. So there's really not even anything. You can't even take a picture without a lens, right? You can't even take a picture here. So you're actually required to buy a camera lens. Well, guess what? The camera lens is just as, probably half the price of the camera. In some instances, the camera lens is actually more expensive than the camera. So here we got the camera lens. This is the Tamron. Now, we wanted to get the other one. I wanted to get the other camera lens that was only $450. This one's $599, but they didn't have it in stock, so I would have to wait an extra week to get it. So here is the Tamron brand lens here that we're going to use for this camera. Let's go ahead and take this out, unpackage this, and wow. Now remember, with this camera, you're going to keep this camera for, you know, another 10 years or so. The only thing you're going to switch is the lens. So depends on what you're using it for. If you want to, you know, take pictures close up, if you want to take pictures, you know, far across, if you want to take pictures in bokeh mode, there's a lens for all that, man. So we got a lens that will probably cover most of the grounds for everything you're trying to do. So here it is. This is the lens here. It's the Tamron lens here. Okay, go ahead and take that out. And let's go ahead and take this part off here. Now, I'm not a camera aficionado, guys. So some of you that are, you know more about this stuff than I do. But I know some things about cameras. Like I know camera phones, which is a little bit different. But let's go ahead and put this thing on here. All right, look at that, man. Woo! Look at that bad boy. Wow, look at that thing just looking at you, man. Thing is, I can guarantee that taking a picture of a moonshot with this phone, with this camera, would be awesome. And I actually can't wait to do that. So I almost said phone because I'm so used to taking pictures with phones and stuff like that. But let's go ahead and see if there's any battery power in here. Now, or if it's even charged. So this would actually be where the battery would stay. So actually I need to go ahead and put the battery unit in here. Now, one thing I didn't even ask the guy when we bought this was what kind of batteries it uses. So from what I'm seeing here, man, that this thing doesn't even have, it does. It does. Here we go. Here come the rechargeables. Here they come. Here they come. I'm just so excited, man. I know I'm blabbing too much. I'm just blabbering around a lot. Okay, here is the camera. The camera battery pack. I don't know if it's got any juice in here, but let's see. Okay, which way we got to put it in here? Up and down. Okay, so I think, let's see. Whichever way we put it, we're going to figure it out right now. Is it this way? No, I'm going to assume it's going to be this way. All right, come on. It's one way or the other. So we're going to push this in. Okay, so I got to push this here. There we go. Boom, done. All right, now let's check it out. Let's power this bad boy up. Tell me there's some power in here. All right, I'm going to open this up here. All right, you can open that up and then flip that around. And I don't think there's any power in here. I'm pressing the power button. But if there's no power, actually, I think I'm wrong. I think it's on right here. There we go. All right, that should be on, right? And then press the power button on here. I'm assuming that's correct. Right? Okay. So, let's see here. Yeah, it doesn't seem to have any juice, man. Oh, that really, really sucks. Wow, that sucks. So, I'm gonna have to go ahead and charge this battery up, guys. Until then, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a follow-up after I charge this beautiful looking camera and do my initial, shots and take some photos, and then come back and let you guys know what I really think about this thing. But so far, it just looks really, really cool. I'm actually surprised that there's absolutely no power in the battery. So, but yeah, you can see all of the controls are pretty basic and simple. And also, don't forget, also bought a SD card for it. So I think the place to put, I think the SD card was also going to go into the slot in here close to the battery. I might be wrong. And like I said, I got to work around with this thing for now. There we go. So the SD card's going to go in here. I see that. So you're going to push this up, and the SD card comes right there, I believe. And then we're going to get all that taken care of and squared away. There's a reason why these things come with a instruction manual on how to do certain things, but I'm always too lazy to read it. So anyways, I'm going to leave you guys with this. So until next time, don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe down below. Hit a like, subscribe. It helps the algorithm. And if you guys want to see more cool videos or not so cool videos, leave a like down below and a comment. Until next time, take care, stay blessed, and take care.